In this Webflow tutorial, I'll teach you how to create a free social share button functionality in Webflow. As you can see in this example website, this is actually my journals blog page, and you can go ahead and hit the social share to share this specific page. For example, if we hit LinkedIn, this opens up a pop-up and it goes ahead and prompts us to log into LinkedIn. I'm already logged in, and we can go ahead and share this specific page/post directly. This is obviously fantastic if you have any CMS pages, such as my journals. Otherwise, this also works with static pages, such as the About page. Let's quickly do this in Webflow. It's super easy, barely inconvenient. Okay, so right now I have this Webflow project, and I actually have a CMS called Restaurants. And inside this specific in-depth page, I want to add this share functionality. So I've gone ahead and just put in a text that says share this post. And below that, I just have a bunch of social icons. And again, the great thing about this specific solution is you can go ahead and style the icon exactly how you like. The next thing we're going to need to do is head over to this specific website, finsweet.com/attributes, and we'll be using the specific attribute of social share. And the reality is there's many ways to do this. You unfortunately cannot do a share functionality natively in Webflow, and this is the best way to do it. Just keep in mind this specific solution only allows for very specific platforms such as Twitter, X, Facebook, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Telegram, and Reddit. If you want like an email share, that's also possible, but I won't be covering that in this tutorial. So this is actually very easy to install. I've actually made separate tutorials on using this specific solution. But in this step, all we need to do is just add this script inside a head tag. So we can go ahead and copy this script, go back into Webflow and head over to the CMS settings right here, restaurants template in my case. Scroll all the way down to the head tag and go ahead and paste in that code right here. Now, if you're going to use this share button for every single page of your website, it might be worth considering to put this into the site setting. I've already done a previous tutorial on custom code, so feel free to check that out. But in this case, I'm just going to go hit save. The next step we need to do is just head over back to the documentation. And right now it's very, very simple. We can go ahead and add these specific share buttons. You might not have all of them, but let's just say, for example, in LinkedIn right here, we can go ahead and just copy this attribute right here, FS social share -element, go back into Webflow, find LinkedIn, and then on the right-hand side, underneath settings right here, we can scroll down and add that custom attribute with the name, go back into the docs, and we can go ahead and copy the value, which is LinkedIn, and just paste that in. And you want to go ahead and just make sure you do that for each one of them. So for example, on Facebook, we can go ahead and click Facebook right here, copy that specific attribute name, which is all the same, go into attributes, put that as the name, and then go ahead and go over to the value, which is just the name of the social platform, Facebook, and that's it. Obviously, you want to do it for each one of these, but once we go ahead and publish the site, it's literally done. So as you can see, I'm on the in-depth page for my CMS collection of restaurants, happens to be KFC. I've added that attribute for LinkedIn. So if we go ahead and hit LinkedIn right here, you can see it opens up that pop-up and you can go ahead and share that as I showed earlier in the video. Super easy stuff. Keep in mind with the attributes, you can also do more. For example, you can add a custom URL. You can also change the width and the height of the pop-up box. But this is a very, very easy solution, and I've been using this ever since. My name is Derek Su. I'm a Sydney-based web designer and Webflow developer. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like and a comment. Otherwise, check out more of my videos right here. I'll see you guys in the next one.